So the idea in these types of examples will be, for instance, if we have 3a times 3b, so all we know from rule 1 is that this will be 3a plus b. Now, keeping this concept in mind, we will go back into this form in these types of examples. So for instance, if we had to look at the first example, we say we have 2x plus 1, and that's divided by 3 to the power 2x. So keeping this rule here in mind, what we just mentioned, we're going to take this 3 to the power 2x and separate it, and we will make it into 3 to the 2x times 3 to the 1 divided by 3 to the 2x. Clearly we can see that the 2x and the 2x will cancel off, including the 3's, and our answer, final answer, will be 3. So let's do another example. Let's take 2x plus 5 divided by 2x plus 2. Now we need to use the principle where we separate this part here. So we've got 2x times 2 to the 5 divided by 2x times 2 to the 2. And we know from the step here we can see that these cancel off. So we're left with 2 to the 5 over 2 to the 2. Now we know from law 2, we know that when the bases are the same and they're being divided, so we subtract the exponents. So we'll have 2 to the 5 minus 2, which will be 2 to the 3, and my final answer will be 8. In this next example, we have 5m plus 4 divided by 5m plus 5. So we separate the exponent, and we have this 5m times 5 to the 4 divided by 5m times 5 to the 5. Now these two cancel off, so we're left with 5 to the 4 over 5 to the 5. Now we know that this is law 2, so we say 5 to the 4 minus 5, and we know the answer will be 5 to the minus 1. Now 5 to the minus 1, we know the law of exponents will be 1 over 5, and that will be the final answer. So in the next example, we have 3x plus 6 divided by 3x plus 4. So we'll separate this, and we have 2 to the 3x times 2 to the 6 divided by 2 to the 3x times 2 to the 4. Now we cancel those two off, so we're left with 2 to the 6 minus 4. Right, this is the law 2 exponents. So 6 minus 4, we're left with 2 to the 2, and my answer will be 4. Okay, in the last example for this video, we have 6 to the 4x minus 2 divided by 6 to the 4x minus 4. So let's separate these terms. We have 6 to the 4x times 6 to the minus 2. Don't forget the minus sign when you are separating the terms. It will be 6 to the 4x times 6 to the minus 4. Cancel these terms, and we'll see our next step will be 6 to the minus 2. Remember, this is law 2. Now law 2 states that when the bases are the same and they're being divided, we subtract. So remember, it's the top minus the bottom, so it's minus 2 minus, and you put minus 4. Remember, we put in a bracket because you can't have two minus signs next to each other. And then let's complete this using board mass. We have 6 minus 2 plus 4, and this will give us 6 to the 2, and my final answer will be 36.